Welcome to another edition of City Connector right here on CitiTV and brought to you by the City of Douglasville. I am Lee Brogden Culberson of ProfessionalMojo.com, and it is my distinct pleasure to be hosting this Christmas spectacular. You're going to be hearing a lot of wonderful holiday music to get you in the spirit in just a few minutes. So grab your Santa hat, get those elf shoes, and you stay tuned. We'll be right back. Welcome back to this very special edition of City Connector right here on CitiTV. Joining me is Calvin Thompson. Calvin, welcome.
Well, thank you. It's good to be here.
And you have been here before, so I know how good you are.
Yeah, back in July.
We are going to have a real treat because you weren't singing Christmas music back in July.
No,
was it Christmas in July?
No, it kind of was. It was a little too hot, so you had to think Christmas to make it cooler.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. Now, what are you going to be singing for us today?
It's a couple songs, Sweet Little Jesus Boy and Merry Christmas with Love.
Wonderful.
Just to get everyone into that nice little Christmassy mood.
Well, that is going to be a great start for us. So tell us a little bit about what you've been up to over the last few months and how people can find out more about you and about your music.
Well, I've just been working. I graduated back in May, and I thought that was going to be it. I can go out with my degree and find a job, and God wasn't through with me. So now I'm back in school to get my master's in marketing.
Hey, congratulations.
Well, thank you. And it's a lot of writing. So I fill my nights with that, and during the day I drive school bus.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
But if someone wanted to come out, say, have you come and sing at an event, that's what you do, right?
That's what I do, and they can find me on Facebook. Just go on Facebook, Calvin Thompson, and you'll find me.
All right, and you're local?
I'm local. I live not too far from the mall.
All right.
So.
Well, thank you so much for getting us started,
you.
and we're looking forward to a little Christmas spirit.
A little Christmassy.
All right.
Sweet little Jesus, boy, the world treat me, Lord, treat me too, but please, sir, forgive us, Lord, we didn't know 'twas you. Sweet little Jesus boy, born a long time ago. Sweet little holy child, and we didn't know who you were. Hey, you get your Christmas tree up yet? I'm telling you, y'all put that Christmas tree up too early. I'm gonna come knock it down. It ain't Christmas yet. But today is gonna be Christmas. We're gonna get you into the mood at least a little bit. But don't put that Christmas tree up too early. All right, Steve, I got you. Ooh, child. My child is working down here selling CDs, so if y'all want a CD, go down there and buy one from him. He needs the money. He needs to pay rent, light bill. She leaned with her head on the window, watching evergreens bend in the snow, remembering Christmas the way it had been so many seasons ago, when the children would reach for their stockings and opened the presents they found, that the lights on the tree would shine bright in their eyes, reflecting the love all around. But this year there's no one to open the gifts, no reason for trimming the tree. And just as a tear made its way to the floor, she heard voices outside start to sing. Merry Christmas to all who may dwell here. Merry Christmas to even just one. May the joy of the season surround you. Merry Christmas with love. The carolers sang as she opened the door. Faces of friends in the crowd, and all of the shadows of lonely reminders driven away by that sound. Now the heart that for years had been silent was suddenly filled with a song, as she clung to their hands like a child in the night. She found herself singing along. Merry Christmas to all who may dwell here. Merry Christmas, if even just one. May the joy of the season surround you. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas to all who may dwell here. Merry Christmas, if even just one. May the joy of the season surround you. Merry Christmas with love. Merry Christmas.
Welcome to the interactive community calendar of City Connector. I'm Kelly Hunter, your host here, and stepping up with me today is Ansley from the CCI here at the West Georgia Technical College campus in Douglasville. Thanks for joining me, Ansley.
Thank you so much for having me.
You know, it's a wonderful time of year.
Yes, it's my favorite.
We're at the mall just before Christmas filming this, but it is our Christmas special. We have the opportunity to hear a lot of Christmas music. But the one thing that we want to do on the interactive community calendar is let our viewing audience know how they can participate in local community events here in the area. Who's our first guest up to?
Our first guest is Miss Melody Pratt with the All Community Theater.
Hi, Melody. Come on right here between us. And this is your 60 seconds of fame.
Oh, wow.
You get to
60
tell.
whole seconds.
Right,
Woo.
I know. In that camera there, well, it might take a little longer, but your opportunity to let us know what's going on in the area and how our viewing audience can participate.
Excellent. We are from All Community Theater. It is located at the Old Conference Center in downtown Douglasville. And we'd like to invite you to come to see our upcoming production. It is An American Teen in the City of David. It's a hilarious comedy about the misadventures of a teen and a time-traveling angel. And together, they discover the true meaning of Christmas. Okay. Show dates are December 20, 21, 22. Tickets are by donation only, and reservations are required. And for information on this show, upcoming auditions, or future shows, they can contact us at our at our email address, which is allcommunitytheater@live.com.
All right. Well, you mentioned reservation. How would somebody go about doing that? How can they reserve their tickets?
They send us an email at allcommunitytheater and let us know how many which show they'd like to come to, and we'll get them all set up.
All right. Is there a phone number also for anyone to contact?
There is, ma'am, 706-508-2108.
All right. Are you into drama?
I am a little bit. I'm more into broadcasting, though.
Okay. Well, and that requires a little bit of the drama. and all,
I'm
but-
sorry, all young girls are into drama.
Aren't they?
Yes, always.
Well, thank you for the event happening here locally, and reservations required, donation for ticket costs.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else that we left out?
There's going to be popcorn and snacks.
Yes. Wonderful. All right.
I'm
That's
in.
great. We're in, aren't
Yes.
we?
All right.
Well, thank you very much.
My pleasure.
All
Thank you.
right. And we have our next guest coming up with another event happening in the community.
Yes, we have Mr. Eddie Stone.
How are you, John Stone?
Hey, I'm fine.
You
doing
doing
fine.
good?
Doing all right.
Now,
Can't
you're
complain.
a regular with us.
A regular here all the time.
I think we see you about this time every year, too,
Yeah.
because the Kiwanis,
Kiwanis Club, yes.
y'all have something special you do every Christmas.
Right. We do a kids' Christmas special, and this year it will be at Walmart on Highway 5. The Kiwanis Club is interested in seeking support for this. We try to raise enough money to have $100 for 100 youth from 5 different elementary schools in the community. The Kiwanis Club has nothing to do with the schools that are selected or the youth that are selected. They're done by the school.
Okay.
They come to Walmart on December the 19th, 9 o'clock. They shop by themselves or with a local official, sheriff's department, city police, political leaders, and volunteers. And we give them some directions. They can buy stuff for themselves, their parents, their grandparents, their brothers and sisters, and whatever. And we're out soliciting funds for that event.
All right. So if we have some extra cash in our pocket,
Right. If you have some extra cash in your pocket, you can send it to us. You can send a check to the Douglas County Kiwanis Club, P.O. Box 69, Douglasville, Georgia, 30133. The Douglas County Kiwanis Club is a 501c3. We are a foundation, and your money is tax deductible. So we appreciate you coming out, giving us the money, so that we can make a happy Christmas time for 100 young people.
That's
Thank you very
great.
much.
It's wonderful.
All right.
All right.
Thank you for keeping that going, being involved with our community, and supporting the things here in the area.
Right.
All right.
Thank you very much.
All
Appreciate
right.
it. We'll
Thank
see
you, sir. All right. And more things happening in our community. It's always a way for you to connect with events, with programs, with ways to help support our community.
Yes.
Do you remember who we have up next? I think it was from, we'll look at our notes.
Yes.
It's from First Baptist, Villa Rica. Have 2 gentlemen. We'll have y'all
Yes.
step on up here
You
between
guys.
us.
Hey, how are you?
And we're good, okay? This is,
Rob.
you're Rob,
Rob
okay.
Alford, yes.
All right. Rob, tell us the last name.
Alford,
All right, and you're with First Baptist?
First Baptist Church, Villa Rica.
All right.
Yes.
And what does First Baptist have going on?
Well, we've got a couple of things, and you got to pardon me. I've got some technology notes here because I don't want to miss anything. But first, our Jubilee Choir, which is our senior adult choir, is going to be presenting The Heart of Christmas. That is going to be on December 8th at 6 o'clock. Then on December 15th, also at 6 o'clock, our children's choir will be performing. They're doing something called the Rockin' Royal Christmas. And I get a chance to be in the children's choir this year. I get to play Herod. I'm looking forward to it. It's a long time since I've been in the children's choir, at least about 5 years or so. Then during our worship hour on the 22nd, we'll have a drama. It will be narrated by Richard Jones, A Shepherd's Story of the First Christmas. And that's going to be at 10:15. That's when our worship hour is on the 22nd. And then one final note, on Christmas Eve, we'll have a candlelight service. Candlelight service starts at 5 o'clock, December 24th. That's a lot going on at First Baptist Church of Villa Rica. We're excited. We hope you'll join us then.
A lot for the community to be involved with.
Yes.
All right. Well, thank you for sharing that information with us.
Thank you very much.
All right.
We'll definitely try to go.
Very good. And I tell you what we're going to do. We're going to take a break right here because we've got more calendar events lined up, and we have more music for this Christmas special happening on City
I'm
Connector.
so excited.
You know what we do every month, though, here is the last Tuesday of each month at 12 noon. We're at Arbor Place Mall. And if you have an event or a local a program that you would like to promote, you have the opportunity for your 60 seconds right here on City Connector on our interactive calendar.
Yes.
Ansley, thanks for joining me on and helping me out today.
Thank you so much for having me.
You ready for some more Christmas music?
Yes, let's go.
All right.
Welcome back to this very special edition Christmas extravaganza right here on City TV. Joining me now is Jan Booth with the Christian Community Orchestra. Welcome.
Thank you very much.
So, tell me a little bit first about your organization and how someone could get involved.
We're the Christian Community Orchestra. We are finishing our 21st year, and we have presently 50 to 60 players who are playing in our orchestra. It's a full-size orchestra, so whatever instrument you play that's an orchestra instrument, come and join us. You need to have about an intermediate level of being able to play, and we meet on Monday evenings at the Central Baptist Church at 7 o'clock.
All right, so I bet you don't have cowbells, do you?
Sometimes.
Well, then maybe then I can get in the cowbell. All right, so today we're going to be hearing some really festive things, but you have a great concert coming up as well. So tell us about that.
Our concert is going to be coming up on Tuesday, December the 10th at Central Baptist Church at 7:30. Be sure not to wait till 7:30 to come because it's filling up on our Christmas time. We're going to be having a variety of things that are played, pieces that you are very familiar with. We have some medleys. We also have some specials that are going to be there. And of course, our brass quintet is going to be there that you'll be hearing in just a moment. And we also have a string group that's going to be playing as something that the people around here don't usually get to hear are the strings. So I want you to be able to hear them. Also have some duos. I have a mother and daughter piano duet that's going to be playing. And we have 2 harps. One of our harpists will be 9 years old. You will not want to miss that, and other specials that will be there that evening. We're going to be highlighting, as we always do, those who are in the military, and we have some special music that has been written for us to be able to play, and you will enjoy that evening.
Well, this sounds wonderful. So tell us again how we can get tickets and the date and the time one more time.
The date is Tuesday, December the 10th. The time is 7:30 in the evening. All ages are welcome to come. You will not need any tickets. You just need to show up. There's no offering taken. It doesn't cost you anything to come. It is absolutely free. And then after that, especially if you're hungry, we're going to feed you afterwards. So you come and stay for the fellowship.
Well, wonderful. Well, we are looking forward to this, gentlemen. And Jan, thank you so much for being on the Christmas Spectacular.
welcome back to the Interactive Community Calendar. Ansley, this is the opportunity for the community to let everyone know what's going on locally, how they can be involved, and what they can participate in here locally. Who do we have up first?
We have Miss Tony Abar with Brighton Academy Drama Club.
And Brighton Academy has some good things happening, don't they, Tony?
We do. We just closed on our brand new facility on Presley Mill Road, and we're excited because not only does that give us the opportunity to serve more families in our community, but it's also given us the opportunity to develop and grow our performing arts and fine arts programs.
All right, and I think that's why you're here today, to tell us about a special play that you guys have going on.
I am. We are doing our first holiday production. It's a fairy tale Christmas carol on December 7th at 7 p.m. at our new facility, so we're very excited. It's the classic Christmas tale with a little bit of a twist, narrated by Mother Goose, and we'll see if the big bad wolf stays big and bad or if his heart changes.
Oh, that sounds good.
I think we have a few of the participants in the audience, don't we?
A few actors, I hear. Yes, let's have them on up, find out who this is, so we can find out if any of our viewing audience wants to come see who you are and what part you're going to play in this.
Okay, so I'm Alex Sabar, and I play the part of Big Bad Wolf, which is basically the fairy tale version of Ebenezer Scrooge.
Now, don't give any of the storyline away, okay?
Don't give us
All
any
right?
hints.
No hints. There you go. And our next actor.
I am Evan Abar. I play Little Wolf, Medium Wolf, and Jack.
Oh,
3
goodness.
parts. How did you score 3 parts in one play?
I really don't know.
You're awesome, right? Is that it? Well, we're excited. Tell us again the name of the play.
The name of the play is the Fairy Tale Christmas Carol.
And it's where?
It's at the new Brighton facility.
All right. And can you tell us the date and time again?
It's December 7th at 7 p.m. For more information, you can go on our website at www.brightonacademy.com.
All right. Well, congratulations on the new facility. We're excited, and I hope you have a lot of people turn out to see your play.
Thank you.
All righty. Thanks, guys. Nice job. All right. And I know we have other community events happening here locally. Who do we have up next?
Next up, we have Miss Trudy Holdman.
And Trudy has been with us before with other events as well. You've got something that's happening and coordinating with a local organization here in our area, don't you?
Yes, I do. Yes,
Tell
I
us
do.
all about it.
On December 12th, we are hosting a holiday bazaar and a health fair. Now, the name of our organization is the Women's Entrepreneurial Exchange, and we've been hosting events for the community for the last 6 years. But this year, on December 12th, from 5 to 9, we will have a holiday bazaar, and it's at the new conference center downtown Douglasville. Now, this is going to be a very festive event. We have a lot of groups that's performing, singing, dancing. We even have a fashion show that's going to take place at night. But this is all in an effort to support our local business owners. We have Mary Kay, Avon, a lot of different business owners that will be selling their products. We will have free gift wrapping. Now, any donations from the gift wrapping will, of course, go to A Gift of Love, which is our charity partner right here in Douglasville. We're also going to accept donations for her. She's feeding 543 families twice a week. And she's in need of macaroni and cheese, she said, and also Pop-Tarts. So we're going to be taking up donations for her. And any donations will go directly to Ms. Juanita Clay. She's the facilitator of A Gift of Love. So we're going to have a wonderful, wonderful event, lots of singing, Christmas caroling, just a great holiday time. So we're so excited about this event.
And tell us once again, our viewing audience, the date and time, and it's at the Downtown Conference Center, Douglasville Conference Center, correct?
Yes, it's at our new conference center, the beautiful facility just across the street from the old conference center. It starts at 5 o'clock. It will last till 9 p.m. on a Thursday evening, December 12th. So, and also we will have WellStar with us. They're going to do a lot of free screenings, and we will have eye screenings as well done free for the public. So focused on your health and having a good holiday season.
Oh, love it, and it sounds great.
Yes.
Thank you, Trudy.
Thank you.
Thank you for connecting with our community and providing such a great organization outreach.
Thank you so much.
All righty. And you know, if you have a local organization that you'd like to reach out with a project or a promotional piece coming up, you can do that the last Tuesday of every month upstairs by the food court and on City Connector with our interactive community calendar.
Yes.
Ansley, who do we have up next?
Next up, we have Mr. John Price.
All right. And Mr. John Price, you are from First Baptist Villa Rica as well.
That's right. I'm the discipleship pastor.
All
And
right.
I'd just like to invite folks to something we do on a weekly basis. It's called Live Tree Cafe. It's open to the community, and it's a conversation that we have on Thursday nights from 6:30 to 7:30 about different topics. And it's just a time to have a conversation. We have great coffee and snacks for free and just have a good time. So the two that we have upcoming in December, the first one, December 5th, is called Haunted. It's a ghost hunter's investigation of the paranormal. Not really a Christmassy theme, but it's one that we pushed off, but one that people are really looking forward to. And then on the 12th, we're looking at the topic, is God obsolete? Is he left the building? And we're looking at church and its effectiveness. So we invite everybody to come from all different ideas, viewpoints, and that sort of thing. We have a great time together. So
it's just kind of casual conversation?
Absolutely.
Around probably topics of truth?
Different topics each week. We look at things like living with Alzheimer, post-traumatic stress disorder. We've looked at all kinds of topics, and it's just a great time.
All right. And tell us once again the day and time that happens. You said twice monthly?
Actually, we do it every week, but because of the Christmas break, we're just doing it twice in December. But it's every Thursday night from 6:30 to 7:30 at the cafe at First Baptist Villa Rica. They can find out more by going to lifetreecafe.com or our church site, which is fbcvr.com, which is just the initials of our church.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, John. All right, Ansley, this is what we do every month.
This is it.
We let the community know what's happening here locally, how they can engage, participate, and support those things that are happening.
Awesome.
All right. We'll be back with more City Connector and our Christmas special.
See you soon.
Welcome back to the Christmas Spectacular. If you're not in the Christmas spirit, well, I just don't know why you shouldn't be. We've heard some wonderful things, and many thanks to the Christian Community Orchestra for being with us. Now joining us, in fact, is Vicki Orm with the Douglas County Chamber Singers. Welcome, Vicki.
Thank you.
Now tell us a little bit about your organization and how someone can get involved.
We are a community chorus. We perform and practice at the First Methodist Church here in Douglasville every Tuesday night. Our concerts are also there. We're an audition group, but we're always looking for more singers. So if you sing and would like to be part of a fun group, come and join us. Our concert for Christmas is Friday, December the 6th at 8 o'clock at the First Methodist Church. We'd like to invite everyone to come and join us. It's going to be a very fun program.
And you're going to have all kinds of music, so no matter what kind of Christmas goodies people want to hear, they're going to hear it there.
Yes, it's a fun program. We're seeing a lot of familiar things. Also, Jerry Singer, a flautist, is going to be there to play with us, and Teresa McBride is going to sing O Holy Night for us. So it'll be a very, very fun program. And we are singing four of the numbers actually, that we are singing that night. So you'll get a little taste of what we're doing.
Well, wonderful. Well, does someone have to buy a ticket, or can they just come and show up?
No, just show up. There's no admission fee with it for us. So just come and enjoy the program with us.
And that's a great way to spend some time with your family and, to really get in the Christmas spirit and get ready.
Exactly. That's exactly right.
All right. So if someone wanted more information about your organization, where can they find that and how can they contact you?
We have a Facebook page, and we also have a website that you can look up, Douglas County Chamber Singers, and see what we're doing.
All right, well, wonderful. Well, before I turn it over to you, I want to thank everyone for a wonderful 2013 here at City Connector. It has been a joy, and I invite you to join us in January 2014 for a brand new season, because we will be taping right here at Arbor Place Mall. Now, some more wonderful sounds of the season on this Christmas Spectacular.